Building a plane all by myself in my three-car garage, it's not a easy task. It has got its own challenges. For example, the rivets number amounts to 23,000 with 4 to 5 operations each rivet to complete. So almost 15,000 rivet installations of it, and still balance for the rest of the plane. In the background you can see the tail cone of my plane, which is just completed, and all the markings of what is completed is in color on the drawing on the back. Testing of the plane after I finish, it will take around almost 2-3 months running for 25 hours for each performance, and then finally once it's done I will get the certification for experimental aircraft approval. Once that is done, I'll be flying in North America for around 250 hours, and even I may venture into Caribbean islands to hop all 8 or 9 countries to just get more and more used to the plane with IFR. Then once that is all completed, I'll be venturing into the Earth Rounders trip. That's the plan as of now. So that will need registration with the German organization, and because it's experimental, I may have some difficulties in establishing that it's safe, and some countries may have some restrictions. Then I'll need a clearing agent for all the 30 countries where I visit, and there'll be around 70 legs of flight before I finish that in maybe 200 to 250 hours in 9 months or 10 months. So anybody interested can join me. One seat is available at certain locations at their own cost and risk. The support I got was excellent from many quarters, and one of them is from the NIT Aero and Mile Club, where students with a lot of enthusiasm will just be online with me when I'm doing some critical operations. Then the flight engineer Ravindran is also from REC, my senior, and then Jack from EAA, life member of the club in nearby Calgary, and my other classmates from REC, as well as a few friends from Calgary who used to come and help me in riveting and assembling and moving around things. Hopefully everything will go well, and we'll see you in 2025 in India.